Oh, hello everybody. This is Batman. You might know me as the crime fighting detective in popular movies and comic books. I'm not here to talk about my crime fighting exploits. I'm here talking about SEHAT, the self e-health assessment tool. So we walk through it. Let's. So in order to start, you need to go somewhere where you have a strong signal. Probably a rooftop where I like to hang out, where you can get strong internet signal and fill out SEHAT. After getting the links on WhatsApp, then you click on the links and open on your favorite browser. If you're filling out SEHAT for your friend, make sure to get your friend's permission to report the conditions. Or if you're filling out for yourself, please click agree or your friend to agree. When you enter the user ID, it's for you if you're filling out for yourself, or if it's for your friends, then please put in your friend's user ID. Date of birth, again, it is for you or for your friends if you're filling it out for your friend. Gender is very male or female. Keep in mind that SEHAT is for you to fill virtually and for us to be able to easily identify and follow up with cases that need follow-up. The date reporting, usually if you're filling out for the first time, then click number 1, first time filling. Click on the appropriate city. Of course, Makassar if you're in Makassar, otherwise click other. I click other because I'm Batman, Gotham City. Accommodation, enter the accommodation that you are living in, and me is Gotham Cave or Wayne Manor. Of course, we haven't been able to go anywhere, so within the last 14 days, nope. History of contact, shaking hand, chatting, for confirmed positive cases. So for me, click no. But have you been shaking hands, talking for a long time with somebody who is confirmed? Please click yes. You have history of contact for suspected case, whether it's chatting a long time, staying in the same room. For me, click no. Chronic medical illnesses you have. If you need explanation, you can also check in with your with the medical number. But normally, if you are following up with your current medical conditions, then you should know your own medical condition. You currently have a fever. This one is for a self-diagnosed. Some of you have a thermometer, others don't. So if you feel fine, normal, then no fever. No temperature higher than 38 degree. For me, it's usually 35 point something degree. Symptoms that you currently have: coughing, sore throat, stuffy, runny nose. No sense of smell and taste. That's an interesting one. So for me, no symptoms. Enter no for post-mas and no medication. If you want to receive further information, enter your phone number where you get to receive your WhatsApp. Lastly, any suggestion. That's the end of my public service announcement. Thank you for watching. Bye now.